come on in. My name is Himadri and I'm a home decorator and a product stylist, and I have been in this space for around 6 years now. The style of my home is mostly Indian with a little bit of bohemian touch to it. I'm mostly inspired by nature and also my hometown. This is from back home. It's our traditional towel, Asmis Gamcha. We call it Gamcha. I have framed it and isn't it look lovely? I just love it so much. Here's a DIY of mine. It's a suitcase and I've put the legs and it has become a pretty stool. So here's my foyer. Beautiful lamp is from Fab India. This is again from my hometown. Brass goes so well with pink, I think. So here is this traditional block print, Indian block print that I've bought from LBB. It's from the brand name Kamana. So here's another DIY. It's a MDF cabinet. I got it from a local store. Then I painted it and made it look fab. Here is a shelf from Urban Leather. Some beautiful pieces that I have curated over years. This is from Fab India. That's a gift from my sister. Terracotta Dhuna. I keep my books backside front. Goes with my palette, color palette. And books are really special to me, so I just want to give the names to myself. And then let's come to my favorite piece. I got it after a lot of persuasion, 6 months of persuasion actually. The guy was not ready to give it to me. I painted it white with a mustard inside. Here is my dining table, my favorite spot in my home. I have done a lot of DIY sitting here, watching TV, eating, having parties. So here's my master bedroom. It is mostly bohemian. I have custom made this bamboo stand because I love 4-poster beds. So here's my small study. I actually use it as a study and as a dresser. It's a small bedroom. You have to make most of what you have. So if you come to my place, here's where you'll stay. So this piece right here, the mirror, is a custom made one. I used plaster of Paris to make this flower imprint. Beautiful candle holder is from Top Grass. So this is from Bimba store. So yeah, that's it. This is my happy space and I really hope that you love the tour. So yeah, bye-bye.